Hello GamerHashians! Today we're going to go over the next way of adding GamerHash app to the list of exceptions, this time in the AVG antivirus program. It's super easy, let's do it together. Step 1. Copy the GamerHash folder path. Then, Step 2. Open the AVG antivirus app. Step 3. Click on the menu and go to Settings. Next, Step 4. Click on the exceptions and add an exception. Finally, Step 5. Paste the folder path you've copied earlier. Confirm adding it to the exceptions. And voila! Told you it was easy. Now you can enjoy your GamerHash app and begin earning money with the power of your own computer. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this guide useful and subscribe to our YouTube channel.